right, so we're going to start off today by talking about general test taking tips. Okay. So the first thing you should think about is the process of elimination. I'm sure that during like tests for school, just generally, you've probably had, a circumstance where you didn't really know what the correct answer was, but through process of elimination, you could probably get like a pretty educated guess of what the correct answer is. So remember that there's only one correct answer for each question. So you should be able to eliminate all the others, even if you don't know like for sure what the correct answer is.
Okay, so as you can see, no change is only about the answer 25% of the time. So if you're picking no change is your answer more than like 1 out of 4 roughly, then there might be an issue with the answers that you're picking or whatever strategy you're using during this section. And like MJ mentioned earlier, it's always wise to eliminate the wrong answers first. And so if all the 3 other options have something that makes them incorrect, then the answer will be no change. And if it ends up being no change, you can always read through the passage with its original text in there and see if that sounds correct. The SAT is a little tricky in that, especially with the multiple choice, a lot of the answers in the math section are values that you find when you're doing the question, but they're for intermediate steps. So they're not actually the final answer that the question is looking for. So if you underline what the question is looking for, and that's usually in the last sentence of a word problem, then you'll know what units your answer should be in and what your end goal is.
All right, I think that's it. MJ, Catherine, anything else?
I think we're all set. Thanks everyone for coming.